welcome to TechGoku. This is your Christopher. Let's get started. So in this video, we're going to talk about Rode VideoMicro, one of the most famous shotgun microphone available in the market. So I was in the need to get the shotgun microphone for my new mirrorless camera Canon M50, which I'm using right now. So I have been going through a lot of YouTube videos and I have been requesting a lot of YouTubers to suggest good quality but budget friendly shotgun microphone available in the market. So Rode VideoMicro was the one being referred by a lot of YouTubers. So I really wanted to give a try on this microphone. So I have ordered one from Amazon and received the package today. So I really wanted to show the contents which we'll get from the package and how good this microphone when it comes to content creation, vlogging or YouTube video creation or any sort of activity which involves shotgun microphone. So without any further delay, let's unbox and see what are the things we'll get from the package. It's great that Rode VideoMicro can works well with DSLR and mirrorless cameras. Also, it works well with your mobile phone with proper SE7 cable. So from the package, we get this quick reference guide. You can refer it if you want. It also comes with the furry windshield, which is also known as the dead cat, which will be really helpful in windy conditions. So basically, this helps us giving a better sound when we log outdoors. Also, this package has got the shock mount included in it. This is called the Lyre shock mount, which will absorb the shocks while you're moving around with your camera. So that sound doesn't get picked up in the microphone. So this will be really helpful to avoid the unnecessary shock movement in your audio recordings. Finally, we get the Rode 3.5mm cable which connects your microphone with the camera output. Other than that, there is nothing else from this package. Okay, now let's quickly talk about the microphone. So Rode VideoMicro has got the cardioid polar pattern which picks up the audio from the front and the sides, and it rejects the sound from the rear end. And the frequency range is between 100 Hz to 20 kHz. And about the power, it only requires 2 volt to 5 volt DC. That's the reason it doesn't require any battery power. It can take the power from the camera output. And also this has got the 3.5mm output connection. This 3.5mm cable comes part of the package, but in order to use this microphone with your mobile phone, we need to have a proper SE7 cable which you can get it from Amazon. Setting up this microphone is really easy. We need to simply slide in the mount on top of your camera like this and tighten the screw knob to give the good grip with the camera. Now take the 3.5mm cable and one end goes to the microphone and the other end goes to the camera output like this. And the windshield is an optional for indoor, but this will be really helpful in outdoor logging. Okay guys, now it's a time for audio testing. So now I have connected my Rode VideoMicro with my Canon M50 here, and I have left the fan turned on so that we can do this real-time checking. There is almost 2 feet gap between myself and the microphone, and this is my usual tone how I used to speak. So this is how my voice is being picked up by this Rode VideoMicro here, and we're gonna do the same thing using my built-in microphone from Canon M50 so that we can actually compare the audio quality from Rode VideoMicro and the built-in microphone of the camera. Okay guys, now I'm using the built-in microphone from Canon M50 and the gap is still same, and this is my usual tone, and this is how my voice is being picked up by the default microphone. I have removed the Rode VideoMicro from my camera so that we can actually compare the audio quality, and still I have left the fan turned on, so I'm not sure how well it's being picked up. So now we're gonna do the side-by-side comparison for both and let's decide which one is better. Okay guys, now I have removed the windshield from my Rode VideoMicro here. Otherwise everything remains same, the distance and the voice tone, and this is how the audio sounds like in indoor without the windshield on. Probably this will be really helpful for outdoor logging. I'm not sure how much difference it's making in indoors without the windshield on. Anyway, let's find that out in the side-by-side comparison which audio quality is really better. Okay guys, now it's a time for audio testing. So now I have connected my Rode VideoMicro with my Canon M50 here. Okay guys, now I'm using the built-in microphone from Canon M50 and the gap is still same, and this is my usual tone, and this is how my voice is being picked up by. So now the comparison makes it clear that the Rode VideoMicro provides better audio quality in many ways. It gives a better bass, less in picking other ambient noises, especially with the windshield on. The best part is you can get this microphone for $60, in other words 5500 Indian rupees. So definitely Rode VideoMicro will be really helpful to enhance your audio quality when it comes to vlogging and YouTube content creation. But still leaving the judgment with you all, you people are the better judges. So hope this video helped you to decide, and if you like this video, hit the like button and comment down your thoughts about the Rode VideoMicro and whether it's going to be useful for you or not. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel TechGoku to get notified on our future videos. Until then, stay safe and thank you guys.